Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing for how to handle auto suggestion dropdown in Selenium Java. Okay, this is basically auto suggestion, nothing but you typed something like M or U like this, and it will give some that related names like Google search. If you are searching something in a Google. Now, if I go for Google, if I search for testing, then it will give for all related auto suggestions. Okay, these are the things it will provide you. Okay, in that, what we are expected, whether it is displaying or not, we need to check and we need to click, and it will open that specific one. Okay, these are one kind of things. Okay, now I'm going to show you make my trip auto suggestion name. Okay, if I click there and if I search for MUM and it will give for related Mumbai related stuff. That particular one where I'm going to click and selecting that name. Okay. And a homework wise, I'm going to give for Google. Okay. I'm doing for make my trip and you have to do for this Google. Search in the Google and find this all values and click something. Okay. Which is presented anyone you can click and whether that particular page is displayed or not, you can check. Okay. In case if you are not able to do, let me know. I'll do that. Okay. And now I'm going to do this one. Okay. If you click here and once you will log coming to this particular page, it will come with one particular pipe. Okay. We'll see that how we can do. Now I'm going to creating for a new file tc11 auto. Okay. Now here I'll go ahead and take this particular one, pasting. Okay. Thread or slip I use to wait some time. Okay. Now we need to copy the URL of make my trip and I'm pasting here. Okay. Then now we need to launch this particular one. Okay. Whether it will be launched or not, we can see. Now I'm not closing anything. Now it is launched, but it is taking time. And additionally, it is coming for one pop-up. You can see, right? One pop-up is coming. We need to click this particular pop-up and then we need to handle. Okay. For this, I'm going to do inspecting the element. Now span, this is the one it is there. I'll take as a X path. Okay, I'll take as a X path control F to forward slash store. Okay, at the rate and I'll specify this name. Okay, when it is visible, that particular one we can click. Okay, now I'll make it for here 2 seconds to wait. Then I'll click for driver dot of find element by dot X path. Okay, and then I'll specify here and I'll click this particular pop-up. Okay, once we click the pop-up you can see, okay, it is having for another small pop-up again. Okay, this how we can able to handle. Okay, for this I'm going to creating for action class. Small pop-up is there, until that we close it will not allow you to click for drop down. Okay, if you want I can show you that as well. Okay, now you can see it is a here it is there, right? From city ID is there. Okay, from city is there. Okay, I'll take this from city one. I'm not clicking for. that particular pop-up one. Okay, now just I'm going to create for one web. Wait. Okay, wait is equal to a new web driver. Wait, it required for driver and duration dot of seconds. I'll give 450. Okay. Now here I'll wait for web element as my from city purpose. Okay. Wait for until expected condition. Okay. This wait condition I have already shown in the wait location. Please check that also. Expected condition. Okay. We can take as a element to be clickable element to be clickable. Okay, by dot id. I'll pass my id. What is the id of from city? Okay, this I'll pass you here. Okay, now I'm going to come back here and I need to click from dot sorry from city dot click. Okay, then only a node box will be displayed. Okay, now you can see whether it will be clicked or not. See, it is failed. Why it is failed? That element is not found. Okay, element is not found. It is not able to find to match the clicking. Okay, because that particular box is there, because of that it is not able to click. Okay, for this I will create as a action clauses to click that particular one. Okay, now actions is equal to a sorry new actions and driver I'm passing. Okay, now here we can able to do for actions a dot move by offsets. Okay, I'll pass for 10 comma 10. Okay, dot click operation and dot perform. Okay, and then I will use for thread dot sleep with 1000 milliseconds to wait. Okay, now you can see whether we can able to click or not. See, it is clicked. If you see, right, it is clicked. Okay, now we need to enter inside and we need to click. Okay, here this is a from, we can inspect this element. You can see, right, there is a placeholder. Okay, this is a class and areas it is there, but you can see, right, there is a placeholder. Okay, this is the placeholder. I'll click here again. I'll create for input box at the rate placeholder. Okay, one on one is presented. I need to enter a value inside that. Okay, I'm going to here now. We'll do driver dot age dot window dot maximize. Now again I'll create for web element. Okay, this time I will use for uh, form await until expected condition dot element to be clickable. Okay, by dot xpath I'll paste for my xpath. Okay, now from this xpath I need to fill some text. Okay, from dot send keys. Okay, I'll get for some text. Here I'll use for Mumbai. Okay, once I passed into that, it will give for list of values. Okay, if I pass mum, it will give for list of values. Okay, you can inspect this particular element. There is a see here is a list box. The role itself ul. Okay, ul, the role box is the role equal to a list. Okay, inside the list there is so many lis. Okay, inside the ul we have for so many lis. Okay, I'll create for export of this. Okay, now again I'm going to create for ul. Okay, at the rate this element. Okay, single quotation. Now you can see list of one box is displaying. Again I'm going to getting for 11 names I'm going to show. This 11 names I'll get it from that particular suggestion one. Okay, I'll take as a by suggestion locator. Okay, I'll use for by dot xpath. In this xpath I'm specifying my xpath. Okay, because I have to use. Okay, and here suggested one it will come right now. I need to wait for until wait. Okay, expected condition dot visible of locator, visibility of element located. Okay, that is my suggested one. Okay, once it is weighted then we need to get all the things right. Driver dot find elements, we need to use the find elements because 11 names it is coming, suggested one I'm pasting. Okay, this will return for list of web elements, then I'm going to make it for list. Okay, web element suggestions. Okay, from this particular suggestion I have to run the for each loop. Okay, I need to run the for each loop. Okay, and now I will go for each loop, rotating the for each loop which we are going to get the elements one. Okay, web element options colon suggestion. Okay, in this suggestion I'm going to get for one by one text string text is equal to options dot get text. Okay, I'll print for all my text. Okay, now we can run. See all the values schemes. Okay. Now if you go ahead and see here, see all the names got displayed. Okay, which is related to MUM related one. Okay. Now I have to click if any text is matched with the Mumbai. Okay. And then I need to break the loop. Okay. Now here, if text dot contains, okay, text dot contains MUMBI Mumbai, okay, then that option I have to click. Second, options dot click, options dot click. Okay. Once I click, I need to break my loop. Okay. Every time we are not closing, right? Then I will do one thing here. Thread dot sleep with the 2 seconds. Okay. Then I'll use for driver dot quit. Okay. Driver dot quit. Now I'll run this again. See, it is click and Mumbai. Oh, it is a capital letter. See, it is clicked that name and the name is got stored here. Okay. Like this, we can able to do it for auto search. Same thing you can able to apply into Google search also. We'll see. In case if you are not able to do it, let me know. I'll do for you. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.